2024 Excellent Filipino Awards confers for National Outstanding Humanitarian and Business Leadership Service. Congratulations to Rosalind F. Azuero, Baguio City.
Good evening po sa lahat. Una sa lahat, thank you Lord and to Filipino Excellent Award for this award. Hindi naging madali yung magnegosyo during pandemic. Lalo po kaming ma-motivate, magiging matatag sa pag-i-business para marami pa tayong matutulungan ng mga kapwa Pilipino sa aming servisyo na ginagawa. Thank you so much po.
Congratulations! And another award. 2024 Excellent Filipino Awards confers for National Outstanding Alternative and Holistic